All right, we have Static Media. They are looking for a freelance outdoor travel news writer. So, if you are a writer who loves the outdoors, this is a job for you. Salary is $21 per hour, and they're looking for an experienced writer. Now, this job is remote, and this is a pretty cool company here. It says Static Media is seeking enthusiastic, hardworking freelance writers to join our teams at Outdoor Guide, Explore, and Islands. Ooh. Ideal candidates have at least 3 years of experience writing content for print or the web. So, if you don't have experience in print, which would mean a magazine or a local article, say in your hometown, then they're looking for like a blog or some type of website that you've developed or that you are happen to be a part of. Okay, it says with a focus on outdoor living and adventuring, travel, trip planning, and destinations. So this would really be great for travel guides or tourism, types of people that love to be the tour guide. Let's just say that. Yeah, a tour guide, and you can write, about your adventures of where you've taken people as well. We are looking for creative individuals who are self-sufficient and versatile. These positions are work from home with flexible, stable hours. Hey, we love that. All right, and location does not matter. U.S. and international candidates are encouraged to apply. So this is worldwide. That is amazing. And of course you have the flexibility. It says let's get into what they offering, okay? Because we all about them benefits over here. So reliable payment, we already know the payment $21 an hour. And it says they pay twice a month, the flexible scheduling, fully remote. So you can work at, your favorite coffee house or in the comfort of your own home, in your pajamas, okay? An excellent exposure. Static Media sites receive more than 170 million monthly visitors, and our content is syndicated through Smart News, Apple News Plus, MSN, and Yahoo. So this is great exposure. Now, don't be intimidated by the 3 years of it. I would definitely, because some people, you've never thought of becoming a content writer, but you love to write. You know what I mean? So don't let the 3 years hinder you. But if you're a good writer, you're a good writer. So to me, 3 years or not, I would submit your cover letter, submit the articles that you've written before, and you can show that you are versatile. I mean, shoot, put together some travel writing and send it in. You know what I mean? Like, hey, this is my skill set. Let's see here. And of course, they want you, the minimums, they said 3 years editorial experience, writing and or editing, experience with building content in a CMS, familiarity with the Associated Press style book. Now that's new to me, Associated Press style book, but Google can always help you out, okay? So don't worry about that. How to apply, they give you, what to write here. And this is great. You guys have an opportunity here for, to be a writer with Static Media, and you'll have so much exposure and so much experience that, you'll be able to just, be an at-home writer. And of course, the salary could definitely change, okay? You can definitely, advocate for more salary as you grow with the company or move into another department. But yeah, this is great. I think this is amazing. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, y'all. Bye.